How to delete Windows Update files. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete Windows updated files. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply right click on the Windows Start icon, and now from here, you simply have to click on the File Explorer. And now here, once you are inside the File Explorer, then you simply have to look at the left-hand side, and there you simply have to scroll down and click on this PC. And after that, you simply have to open the drive where the Windows is installed, and for most people, the drive will be installed in local disk C. So here I'll simply click on that, and now here once you're inside the local disk, you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to click on Windows folder. Now from here you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to click on the folder labeled as software distribution. And now here, once you are inside the software distribution, you simply have to click on the folder download, and now here you can simply delete all the files inside this folder. And here, once everything is deleted, you can simply go back to your desktop, and there you can simply right click on the recycle bin, and from here you simply have to click on this option that says empty recycle bin, and after that you simply have to confirm it by clicking on yes, and that's it. After this, all unnecessary update files will be cleared. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.